This is Julie Chapman of Piano with Julie in Woodstock, Georgia. I thought it would be nice to have a little slideshow for you to see what lessons might look like for you, your child, or both of you together in a parent-child lesson. I specialize in teaching beginning to intermediate piano, and I am delighted to have students of any age, experience, or ability. My goal as a teacher is to make learning so fun and rewarding that when my students are out in the world and see a piano, they say, "Cool, a piano! I want to play something!" The ability to play the piano at any level is a joyful and rewarding gift that will last for a lifetime. If you've been looking for a teacher, I would be honored to have the opportunity to guide and encourage you or your child along your own path to success. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.